Exploring the savory flavor in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic: the meaning of the phrase, savory flavor. This phrase is often used in cooking and food discussions, so it's a tasty addition to your English vocabulary. Let's get started. Savory, in the simplest terms, refers to a type of flavor that is pleasingly spicy or salty, but not sweet. This term is commonly used in cooking and culinary contexts. Unlike sweet, sour, or bitter, savory is a taste that is hearty, rich, and often associated with foods like meats, cheeses, and some vegetables. An important term related to savory is umami, a Japanese word that has been adopted into English, describing a deep, rich flavor. To understand the concept better, let's look at some examples of savory foods. Typical savory items include grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, aged cheeses like Parmesan, soups and broths with a meat base. Each of these foods has a robust, complex flavor that is not sweet, but rich and fulfilling. Now, let's learn how to use savory in sentences. Here are a few examples. I prefer savory snacks over sweet ones. The savory aroma of the soup made everyone's mouth water. Can you recommend a savory dish at this restaurant? These sentences show how savory can describe a preference, an aroma, or a type of dish. Understanding savory also involves contrasting it with other tastes like sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. While savory can include saltiness, it's more about a rich, deep, hearty flavor, distinct from the sharpness of sour, the sweetness of sugar, or the straightforward taste of salt. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of savory flavor and how you can use it in your conversations about food. Remember, exploring new words is like tasting new flavors. It adds richness to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.